Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Justworks. In this video I'm going to focus on multiple things. The first one are pricing plans, and I'm going to review those, like what you can actually get there. Then I'm going to give you the walkthrough of the tool, like what you can find in Justworks from the payments HR managed company. Then I'm going to talk to you about some advantages and possibly even disadvantages, but they're not so many in my opinion, but maybe you will have a different opinion on that. And then we're going to also some alternatives to Justworks. So let's start. Now when you're gonna enter Justworks, what you can find here in pricing plans. Here you're gonna have the basic one as a payroll, benefits, HR tools and compliance, and that's a $59 per employee. And these are what you can get here. So from payroll for salaried hourly employees, off-cycle payments, vendor contractor payments, employee payroll, tax fillings. So you can read it by yourself what you can get here. And then you're gonna have the plus version. You're gonna have basic, then you're gonna have also access to medical, dental and vision. And then includes Cobra administration, Heal advocacy services and one medical. And other than that, all what you had in basic. So you can also like compare sample plans if you want to. Oh, wait a second, I'm probably logged in here, so I can also compare it. Yeah, like someone will contact you. From my perspective, when you look on a basic and plus, and what you can actually get here is that it's okay. I don't really say that it's a too expensive or it's a cheap. For me, it's a fine, because like all the HR softwares and that are working with payroll benefits are on a higher, higher spectrum of price. And Justworks is probably transparent and it's okay, I think. Now when you go further to walkthrough of the tool, what I really like is how effective and simple it is. So I had experience with software that had, and I'm not paid by Justworks by the way, it was difficult to understand it, to how it works, what you can do here there. But here in Justworks, here I can find the payments. I'm gonna find the payment center where you can make a payment. Then you can have the time cards and invoices. Then you're gonna find also the HR here, so as a benefits. So medical, dental or vision benefits. Then of course you're gonna have the time off here. And also documents that you can upload for the HR. Then you can manage, and you're gonna have option to have a team management for contractors, employees and vendors. And here you can go on the right side and click add. And now you're gonna have the member type here. So as an employee, contractor, vendor, you choose that. And always when you're gonna choose what kind of person you want to add, or contractor or vendor, you're gonna, like, everything is going to change here. What I really like is how simple it is to use that. Then when you're gonna have the company, you're gonna have the directory of all the people with departments. Then you're gonna have the organization chart. In the organization chart, it's like a mind map, I would say, where you're gonna have the department. So let's say you're gonna have the marketing, then you're gonna have also the, I don't know what it's called, let's say research and development, human resources, etc. Then you're gonna have the calendar, where you would find all the important stuff, reporting, settings, where you would find the company settings here, the custom fields, and where you can have additional like fields here. So let's say t-shirt size, birthday care, preference, whatever. Permissions. And benefits overview. So when you come here, you can create the overview here. Oh, when you can come here, what I really like is that when you're going to enter Justworks, it's not going to take you a long time to understand it and learn and master it, how you can use it. Then you're gonna have the view, and you're gonna have the pay stubs here, the benefits for you, documents, and account settings just for you. And that's pretty much it. So this is pretty much how you can use the Justworks and what you can get here and how you can understand it. So if you can have any questions regarding Justworks, like what you can do here, how you can use it, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide you some guidance. To summarize it, it's alright. Go ahead and test it out by yourself. Now, I want to show you also some alternatives. So when you go here, Justworks versus, you would have Rippling, Trinet, Insperity, Workday, Paychex, Zenefits. So there is like a lot of competition that you can choose from. So Rippling is really also interesting one. Bamboo HR is a good one. Zenefits, Okta, Paylocity. So a lot of those. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.